Hey, it's Seth with Rough Country. Recovery is always a requirement when you're out there doing UTV stuff, and we have exactly what you need to get your UTV squared away with Rough Country's winch mount for the Polaris RZR Pro XP. This winch mount is made of 1/4 inch steel, and it's ran through our top-notch powder coating process to give it that durable finish and longevity for whatever environment you put it through. Installation is a breeze for this mount with no drilling required, and it's 100% bolt-on installation with all the hardware that comes included to mount your back plate and your front plate to your UTV. And this mount pairs perfectly with Rough Country's 4,500 pound winch, which gives you all that top-notch recovery performance. We are all about you pushing your UTV to the limits and finding out where you can go and where you can't go, and that means you're gonna get stuck at times. So be sure to get Rough Country's winch mount for the Polaris RZR Pro XP and pair it with our 4,500 pound winch. Find this mount and more at roughcountry.com.